Good morning, children. Today I am going to take a new chapter. It is a poem. It is on page number 72. Page 72. Victory in Friendship. It is a very beautiful poem, my dear children. Before reading the particular poem, let me tell you something. See, the very title, if you see Victory in Friendship, it tells us that when we have good relationship with others, when we love each other, when we support each other, there will be no problem. There we will lack nothing. Rather, when we love each other, when we have good relationship with others, there we can find support and help, and then we can live our life better way. So, my dear children, in this particular poem, we will be hearing about such type of friendship, especially the crab and the rock, which is in the sea, and then the crab is on the rock. See, there is a deep attachment between this particular rock and the crab. The waves come and go, but this particular crab is comfortably sitting on this particular rock. On the other hand, there are loose sands on the seashore, and those sands are taken away by the current or the waves. So, the poet is trying to make us understand through this particular poem that when we have no good relationship, our life becomes, or it will become not better one. It will become a miserable, or in other words, it will become a hard life. So, my dear children, this is all about this particular poem, Victory in Friendship. We will achieve our success, or we can be a good person if we support each other. There will be love and there will be concern, and there nothing will be lacking. So, let us read this particular poem, and then afterwards I will explain to you. Today I am reading the poem. Let us look, all of you. Victory in Friendship. I sat by the ocean and observed giant wave recede and roar. Giant wave recede and soar. With each surge of water, stray sand was snatched from the shore. The beach was scattered like beaches are, with lone pebbles, shells, and more. Each fought hard against the waves, but yielded at length to the roar. And then I saw a little crab fastened to a wobbling rock. The waves came crashing up and down, but could not shake them off. The love that bound the rock and crab challenged the ocean's might. If we too hold our friendship close, victory will grace our fight. Liana Palm. So, my dear children, this is a very good poem, and it is giving us, or it will give us, a very good lesson for our own lives. So, in my next class, I will explain to you line by line. It's enough for today. Please read the text and come to the class. Thank you very much to everyone.